Hello everyone, my name is Riya Raheja. I am a part of Netsmartz team working as a functional consultant. I believe my role was all about understanding the business requirement, transmitting them into the system solutions, and ensuring the process should work accurately and seamlessly. It is always meant analyzing the data and mapping the workflows and bridging the gap between the technologies and the business. So after the rise of AI, everything I believed I knew is all redefined. The tasks which could take a lot of time to do the analysis, it just provides the solutioning within a quick moments. It can analyze the pattern faster than any of us, predict the outcomes, suggest the improvements, and even learn from the business data to recommend faster. It's not just an automation tool, it's a thinking partner with us. When I joined Netsmartz, I knew Business Central inside out, but this training helped me to know how AI transformed everything which I knew. AI tools explode just not in fancy features. It also changed my thinking process differently. It helped me to know, it encouraged me to be bold with it.